In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide all of your posts on your Facebook timeline from friends. So what you want to do is you want to first open up Facebook and then go ahead and go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to this window. Now once you're on this window, go to the settings cog in the top right. Now from here you need to then scroll all the way down until you get to your activity. Then you want to click on activity log. And then from here, you need to see your activity across Facebook. So go ahead and click on that, then go down to posts, then click manage posts, and then it should load up all of your posts and activity on Facebook. Now, once this is loaded, you want to go to filters, then go to categories. Then you should see here your posts, check-ins, photos, and videos. Go ahead and click on that, and it will then show you everything that you've posted on Facebook. You can then select all or select individual posts or photos. Then you want to go ahead and go to the three dots in the bottom right, change audience again. You can then save this as public, your friends only, or only me, which will essentially make everything private. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, please do leave a like.